guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Boxycharm subscription box. For those that don't know, this is a monthly subscription that goes for $20 a month, and it brings 4 to 5 high-end beauty products. In this video I'm going to be unboxing what I received for the month of August. So if you're not subscribed to the Boxycharm box, I highly recommend that you do. I am going to be using some of the Boxycharm products that I've received in the past few months and show you how they work out on this makeup. I really like how it turned out. I hope you guys like it too. So before I go ahead and jump on the tutorial, let's go ahead and see what I received for the month. So when we open the box, we have 3 face masks. Actually, it's not a face mask, it's those gold eye masks that we see so popular now on Instagram and on Facebook. So definitely I'll be trying this out tonight. Does it say what it's good for? Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. So I'm guessing it's for the puffiness under the eyes. So this is the first item that we received this month. Following up with this product right here, I've used Adesse nail polish before, but this one is sweet almond cuticle oil. So it looks like this. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Yeah, so I've used nail polish from this brand and they are really good and they last a really long time. I'm pretty excited about this treatment cuticle thingy right here. Interesting. We did receive a gel eyeliner. This is in a color chocolate and it looks like this. I ended up not using this one because I wanted a black eyeliner for this makeup look, but I mean, I swatched it earlier and it looked like it's very pigmented. So not for a wing liner, but for my brows. I think that will work out really well. I also received the lashes that I'm wearing today, and it's from House of Lashes in the style Noir Fairy Mini, and I really like these lashes. They're very full, but they're not as long as some lashes could be. So they don't reach all the way to my brows. So I really like that. Really glam up your look. I really like how they came out. They're really good and they were easy to apply. And for this month we received the palette from Laura Lee Los Angeles in the name Party Animal. And for those that don't know who Laura Lee is, she is a very famous YouTuber with millions and millions of subscribers. These are the colors that came out this month. They are pretty bright colors, I have to say. I won't be using this palette as much because of the vibrant colors. So it's perfect timing because these are perfect colors to use during the summertime. Alright, the last but not least is this Smashbox lip color. This is what I have on my lips today, and it is in the shade Spoiler Alert. Alright, so that's all I received for the month of August. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the makeup tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to grab is this right here. I received this Cover FX primer. It is a blurring primer. Alright, so when you take it out of the tube, it looks like this. It looks like a kind of like a skin nude color, but once you apply it to the skin, it's nude. It doesn't even show. So I'm going to go ahead and dab it on my pores, on my nose, on the top of my cheeks right here. That's where I have more of the open pores, and I want to go ahead and smooth that out before I apply my foundation and on my forehead. I'm gonna go ahead and follow that with my foundation that I'm gonna be using today. This stick foundation, this is from Black Opal True Color, and my shade is Rich Caramel. And I've been loving this foundation lately. I did a first impression on it, and I have to say I really like it. So the brush I'm going to be using today is this one from e.l.f. It's the Ultimate Blending Brush. Wet n Wild in the color Medium Tawny. Go ahead and set my under eyes with this loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me. in the shade light medium. And I am gonna use a makeup brush that I did receive through Boxycharm, and this is the Aesthetica Pete 12 brush, and it just looks like this. It's soft. It's pretty good. It has a good size. So yeah, I will definitely continue using that brush. I received quite a few eyebrow products. I received this one right here from Brow Gal Eyebrow. What is it called? The Brow Gal Microfiber Brow Gel. So I used this in the past and it's really, really good. I recommend it if you see it in the stores or online. But first, I always feel better if I outline my eyebrows with a pencil. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that out real quick, especially that I haven't done my eyebrows. So. I'm gonna use the Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream in the color, does it have a color? Taupe. Alright, so it brings a little brush like this right here, and then you unscrew the bottom part, and then there's like the cream down there. So travel friendly, I guess. So we can go ahead and I'm gonna do a quick swatch on my hand. Alright, so it's a soft color. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some. Ooh, okay. So it looked lighter on my hand, but it's looking pretty nice on my brows. Why is that hair sticking out? I don't know. Even though I have black hair, I really don't like black eyebrows. Alright, I'm gonna leave it like that. Let's not mess with that. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with the fun part of the video, which is the eyeshadows. And when you open it, it has beautiful bright colors. Oh my goodness. I don't know why. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do today because the colors are so vibrant. But I do love the name that she came up with, the name she came up with the shades. The first one is Is a Party. Is a Party. Huh, that's cute. Is a Party. This one is Damage Control, Karaoke, Drink, Bottoms Up, and Hungover. Let's go ahead and do some swatches. So oh my god. Do you see that pigmentation? Okay. What do you know? A Luxie brush. This one is Luxie 239 in Precision Shader. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. And I don't even know why I applied the lid color first, because I usually do the crease, but it's fine. So on the brush, it's getting a little hard for me to blend it out. I don't know if this brush, I don't know. Okay. And I'm gonna, oh, okay, it's a little powdery. Go ahead and play with the colors and see what I could come up with, and once I'm done, I'll be right back. So now I'm just applying some orange on the waterline. I usually just put eyeshadows on the top of the lid and stuff. I never really do anything on the under eye. So let's start with the wing. Alright, I gotta say, my wing cooperated today. Usually it gives me a hard time. So once the wing liner is done, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. You guys, I was filming with low lights. I hope this shows the makeup even better. Alright, so the next item that I received for this month of August is these lashes right here from House of Lashes, and look how pretty these are. Alright, let me go ahead and apply these because I won't be able to do this in camera. I like them because they're full, but they're not super long where it's like annoying, you know? Go ahead and apply some mascara at the bottom part of my bottom lashes. I'm gonna use this one that I received from Per Cosmetics, also from the Boxycharm, and it looks like this. And is it just me, or it smells a little bit like chocolate? Highlight and contour palette. Does it have a shade color? Okay, it doesn't. So just so we can go over the shades range that we have here, we have two highlighters and two darker contouring colors. So we're gonna go ahead and use this brush right here from e.l.f. and I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face. I'm gonna use Inventor, which is the lighter brown shade in the palette. Dust it off and kind of go really soft and see how that looks. Ooh, it's kind of like a cool tone. Okay, doesn't look that bad. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. Okay, I'm gonna change brushes. See, it looks kind of... Okay, I don't know how to use this one. I'm gonna go to the one that I always use. I love this one. Maybe in the future I'll give that one another try, but I'm gonna stick to my colors that I usually use. I use this one right here. That out. Alright, I hope it looks somewhat decent. I'm going to use this one that I also received in a different month. I don't remember the month that I received it on. But I received this one as well. And this one is a Note in the color Desert Rose. It's a beautiful peachy pink color. Okay, cool. Looks nice. That's that. Now let's go ahead and do some highlighting. This one is also from the Boxycharm from a different month. Go ahead and use a little bit down here. In the camera it looks really pretty, but I don't like how it looks on top of my foundation, so I'm just gonna use my oldie but a goodie from Wet n Wild and use it. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick swatch. Oof. Wait, is it this one? Yeah, okay. The last product I'm gonna mention here is the lip color. I don't know how this lip color is gonna look with this eye makeup, but I really want to try it out. This one is from Smashbox. It is a liquid lipstick in the shade Spoiler Alert. So let's go ahead and give it a try. And look how pretty this is. This is up my alley. I love mauvey pink lip colors. That looks really pretty. Actually, it looks really good with the eye color. Alright, so I think we're done here with the makeup tutorial. Let me go ahead and do something with this hair, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video with 2 parts showing what I received on my subscription and also a makeup tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video. Let me know if you like it. Let me know what you think about these crazy colors. If you are subscribed to the Boxycharm subscription box, I would love to know. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.